Hi, I'm Elizabeth, and this is Wee Scotty. We are located in San Francisco, California, and we are all things sewing, from machine repairs to fabric and notions to garments made here in our shop. All things sewing. So this is the newest release by Brother, their newest top-of-the-line machine, the Innov-ís XP-1, also known as the Luminaire. We are really excited about this machine. We were at the convention when it was unveiled, and we were pretty amazed by what we saw. So this is our very first shipment of the Luminaire. This is the first one we have had in store. We are going to do a little unboxing video for you so y'all can get excited with us and see some of the really nice things this machine has to offer. I love how they give you instructions on this to tell you how to open it. Ooh, it's heavy. So this, I believe, is the embroidery unit. And this is a massive embroidery unit. Okay, then they say lift this off. I'm not sure what is in here. I might actually need help. Okay, so 3 boxes later, 1 giant box later, and 3 smaller boxes later, we finally have the embroidery unit, the Luminaire itself, and the accessories all out. Let me get the scissors. The machine itself is packaged in a separate box within the giant box. Let me put it down on the floor so we can all get a better look at it. Ooh. Okay, so there's some goodies in here. So we've got the foot pedal. We've got the main arm attachment. Here we go. I feel like I'm unearthing Captain America over here. So it does not come with the bed attachment when it comes out of the box. And it smells new, which is always a little treat for the senses. And here it is, fresh out of the box. And comes with a cute little sort of thank you card for Brother. Thank you for purchasing our most innovative machine ever, the Luminaire XP-1. With this acquisition, you are now joining an exclusive fellowship of creative thinkers, visionaries, and artists. I thank you for your support, and you have my personal commitment that Brother will always be at your side. This document certifies that this machine was crafted by Brother engineers with the finest resources and supreme care. Thank you very much, Brother. We are very excited to use this machine, and thank you for this little guarantee. But we already knew it was going to be amazing. Okay, so we took a little break, and now we're looking at the accessories that the Luminaire comes with, other than the embroidery unit. So this is the box of feet and tools. Ooh, slides out, very nice. And this is what we have. You've got feet. You've got this awesome little multi-tool, feet and feet, and what looks like a lint. I'm gonna say that's probably a lint brush or a seam ripper. Oh, seam ripper. Thank you, Brother. Bobbins, bobbin clamps, and everything you could probably think of that you would need. Needles, extra throat plate, an extra bobbin case. Wow. Your spool nets. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff in here. A spare throat plate with 1/4" and 5/8" markings on it, so this is gonna be really good if you are primarily a garment sewer, like me. Power cord, that's an essential. Oh, and this fun little thing that was one of my favorite features on the Dream Machine, and I'm really glad to see that it was included with the Innov-ís. It's the scanning board. So the scanning board pops onto, I believe, your embroidery unit, just like it's an embroidery hoop. You can put coloring book pages, family artwork, what have you, whatever you'd like to try scanning. The camera in the Luminaire will go over it. It'll appear on your screen, and I believe you can stitch out whatever this is. So you can make it into an embroidery design, if I remember correctly. Okay. And this is your new buttonhole foot. It's called the A foot. So I believe it's that the camera within the Luminaire will recognize either the plus sign or it will recognize the red dots. I'm not sure which, I have to test it and see. But it's capable of doing buttonholes, I believe up to 48 millimeters, inches. I'm not sure, I have to check on that, but this is it. And last two features before we get to the embroidery unit is this, which is your thread tree. I'm not sure if that's actually what you call it, but I think it is. So there you go, you expand that. So if you're doing work with a twin needle, or you're doing an embroidery where you need at least 2 different colors and you want them to be ready, I'm gonna pop that there. But wait, there's more. This guy? It's magnetic. Here is your stylus, which also, I believe, fits into your accessory box. And our last little piece of, what do we call these? Goodie accessories. I was gonna call them goodies or swag, but this isn't swag. Swag's what you get at the convention. You get, in the box, at no extra charge, the walking foot. So now, we've got the Luminaire and all of its accessories unboxed. The final box is gonna be the embroidery unit, which I'm very excited about. I had a chance to demo the embroidery unit at the convention when it was released, and I had a lot of fun. I was pretty impressed by it. So again, when you get your Luminaire, it's gonna come in, the embroidery unit will come in its own box in the large box. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 hoops included. You get 4 hoops included, 1 large, 1 medium, 1 small, and 1 extra small, if you'd like. Here we go. And this is the embroidery unit itself. So, comes with, let's see, embroidery bobbin thread, which is really important to have when you first get your embroidery machine. Trust me, I've run out plenty of times. You get what appears to be stabilizer, backing material for embroideries. Iron-on stabilizer is what it looks like. Okay. And here we are. And again, it even smells good. Ooh, this is nice. Here we go. And as usual, the hoops will just slide on. Let's slide on. Let's see if we can slide one of these smaller as well. So you slide it in. There we go. And you slide that toggle down to lock it in place. And also the fact that it slides in without even me taking this off is pretty nice. So before we end this, we're gonna show you how it looks on the Luminaire itself and the embroidery space you're gonna have. So this slides out just with a handle. Pull it, slide it out. Take your embroidery unit. And we're gonna slide it on right in there. Voila. Now it looks impressive like this, huh? Well, let's get a hoop on it and really see what the whole thing's gonna look like. So this hoop also, I believe, can be, oh, and wonderful, there's a handle back here to actually lift it when it's off. Toggle down. And there's the Luminaire set up for embroidery. So this concludes the unboxing of our first shipment of the Innov-ís XP-1, aka the Luminaire. We are really excited to have this in our shop for our students and our customers, and we really hope we'll see you in here soon for your own demo of it. And in the meantime, you know where to find us. Just look on our website at weescotty.com.